5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. With Mtrix-sc.com, you can create as many MTOs as your project needs. Keep in mind, though, that each MTO will not be modifiable to ensure transparency in the execution of your project. When you create more than one MTO, Mtrix-sc.com will make graphic reports of your project, so you can easily visualize or share its evolution through solid statistics and financial status. Click on the Graphics button. The first graphic will show you particular information of each section by item and MTO. The second one will show the global information of each section and MTO. The third graphic shows the overall executed percentage of the work, and the final one will show you the executed budget. Let me invite you to continue watching the next videos. Follow me on our social networks.